secret. When I wanna cry, I just take a look around. I see that I'm getting by, and so I hold on, hold on. Change is coming, change is coming. Hold on, hold on. And don't you worry about a thing. You gotta hold on, hold on. You can make it, you can make it. Hold on, hold on. And everything will be alright. Some people like to worry, some people like to hide, and some people like to run away from the pain inside. Well, that's your business. Do whatever you wanna do. But if that don't work out, here's what you ought to do. You just hold on, hold on. Change is coming, change is coming. You gotta hold on, hold on. And don't you worry about a thing. You gotta hold on, hold on. You can make it, you can make it. Hold on, hold on. 'Cause everything will be alright. When the troubles of life weigh you down, just keep your head up. Yeah, yeah. When the love you see is hard to find, don't give up. Just be strong. Keep the faith.